Hi, you are welcome to MJ Crypto. In this video, I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to trade spot on the Kucoin Exchange. If you are new to trading and do not understand the terminologies associated with trading, please kindly pay detailed attention. Spot trading is a type of trading where an asset is bought at the spot or market price. This simply means that you can sell for profits after purchasing the said asset. Now, heading right into the mobile app, the first thing you need to do is ensure that you have some USDT. Okay, there's a video in the description of this current video you are watching showing you how to buy and sell USDT in any country, most especially in Nigeria where direct transfer is not allowed. So heading over to assets now, check where exactly your funds are. If your funds are in futures, move them to spot. Now I'll be showing you a step-by-step movement of these said funds. Now I'm just going to click on transfer. I'm going to click on transfer here. When I do that, it populates. Where is my fund? Let me check. Do I have them in futures? I do. If you have your funds in futures or funding, simply transfer them to, if you have your funds in futures, simply transfer them to funding. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So I'll click on max, transfer everything, put them in my sports account. Now, I'll head over to this section underneath on the app here, where it says trade. So once I click on trade, it's going to take me to the futures, to the sports section actually. So you can see we have here on the sports. Let me show you. I love showing you everything in detail. So we can see there we have sports. Now, under here, we see buy, we see sell, buy, sell. Underneath, we see limit. If you click on limit, you're going to see different options. I'll just briefly explain what these are. For the limit order, it simply means that you want to buy when the price goes lower than the current market price. Here is the current market price of this particular asset. This is Bitcoin. So it means we want to buy when price gets lower than this. We can say we want to wait for price to get to 112K and then we place a limit order to buy. The limit order is called an order because you are giving direction to the exchange to initiate that order for you. Okay, simply that's what it is. Now, I'll be showing you how to buy on market, meaning we want to initiate the order on this particular price, 113,579. I'll just click on market. Once that is done, am I buying with my entire 100%? No, I wouldn't want to buy with my entire 100%. Right? I wouldn't want to buy with my entire 100%. So let's say I'm buying with 25%, which is $4. I'll just click buy BTC. The moment I click on buy BTC, the moment I click on this, buy BTC, immediately I will purchase this asset. We can set it for ourselves. Let's see. Immediately I've purchased it. So to know and to see where those funds have been placed, just quickly go to funds. You see it there. You see this is the Bitcoin we just purchased. Right? This is the Bitcoin. Now, if you want to sell off, let's say you've made some profit, you want to sell off, simply click on this buy sell. This video is not going to be long, so it doesn't bore you. Click on buy sell, or just simply come here and sell off my BTC. Just go to sell and then sell off BTC. And the order has been placed. You can see we have nothing left here again. There was something here before, but now we have nothing left here again. Everything has bought, reverted back to what? USDT. So basically, this is how you enter a trade on spot using the market order. Now, if you want to use the limit order, it's also very simple and well simplified. First thing you need to do is put the price you want to sell at. Are you hoping to sell at 112? Then tell the market to buy maybe $4, which is 25% of what I have here, I'm just going to click on buy BTC. I'm going to click on buy BTC. Now, the moment I do that, instantly you're going to see it appear under open orders. You see it appear under open orders, right? Now, the moment you see it appear under open orders, it simply means that I've given the exchange an order. So immediately price gets to this level, it's going to initiate. Okay, it's going to initiate and my order will be filled. Okay, this is it for spot trading. Spot trading is very interesting, and I have actually given a lot of signals in the past for coins that have done 2x, 3x, 4x over time. And if you actually want to keep getting this kind of updates, the link is in the description of this video to my Telegram, to my WhatsApp. Send a direct DM and we'll put you, it's all free. You don't have to pay for anything at all. Just send a DM and you get added to the group on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Now, if you actually want to start your journey as a trader and you want to get bonuses upon your deposit, use the referral code or the referral link right there in the description of this video as well. Use it, sign up, and for sure, because I'm a partner, you are going to be getting extreme bonuses for all that you do. This is MJ Crypto. Ensure that you keep trading, ensure that you keep making profits. Ask me questions in the comment section of this video. I will be willing to share my knowledge, share my ideas, share everything I know that will make you profitable in the long run. All right, this is MJ Crypto. One love to you all. Peace out. Keep making money, keep being profitable, and don't forget, you're out here to get the best for yourself. Peace out, guys.